All right, so we're back out on the job, and today is fireplace day. I love fireplaces. They're a place where you can hang out, do s'mores, tell ghost stories around, or just hang out and have a glass of wine. This is a pretty cool fireplace system. It's by Isokern. It's a modular fireplace system, so let's go check it out. As you can see here, it's built of all different components that just lock together, pre-cut. So all you have to do is assemble it with this kind of unique adhesive that locks it all together. So they've got the fireplace in place. Now they're setting the chimney. And this chimney is going to finish about 10 feet up in the air. So once they get this fireplace all put together, chimney installed, they're going to start building out the wall.